Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of car gadgets with our top 5 best Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitters. These devices are perfect for enhancing your in-car audio experience, whether you're making hands-free calls, streaming music, or charging your devices on the go. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Lencent BT25 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. The Lencent BT25 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter is a versatile device designed to enhance your car audio experience with hands-free calling, fast charging capabilities, and music streaming options. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this car FM transmitter. Pros: clearer calls with side-by-side stereo microphone. The Lencent BT25 features side-by-side stereo microphones that work together to capture your voice from all directions. Coupled with CVC noise reduction technology, this ensures clear calls by minimizing road noise, wind noise, and other distractions. It promotes safer driving with easy hands-free calling functionality. PD20W QC 3.0 fast charging. Equipped with PD18W Type-C and QC 3.0 USB charging ports, the BT25 supports fast charging for 2 devices simultaneously. It accommodates Samsung super fast charging and provides fast charging for iPad Pro, iPhone, Google, Moto, LG, Android devices, delivering a high-speed and convenient charging experience on the go. Music adapter player. Connect your car radio to the Lencent BT25 via an FM channel to enjoy music from 2 sources, Bluetooth devices, and USB flash drives. This flexibility allows you to stream music wirelessly or play directly from your USB storage, providing multiple entertainment options during your drive. 9-color LED design with light control. The BT25 is designed with 9-color LED lights, offering options such as red, blue, green, and more. These LEDs pulsate in the dark, enhancing visibility and allowing you to choose your preferred color or turn off the lights altogether. This feature supports easier operation and safer driving, especially at night. Safe Protections Universal Compatibility. Certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS, the BT25 incorporates multiple protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overheating, and short circuits. It ensures safe operation and protects your devices while being universally compatible with most smartphones and Bluetooth-enabled devices. It fits 1224 V-car cigarette lighters, making it suitable for various vehicle types. Cons: audio quality via FM transmission. The audio quality may vary depending on the FM signal strength and interference from nearby radio stations. In areas with crowded radio frequencies, users might experience occasional static or signal disruptions, affecting music playback quality. The Lencent BT25 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter offers a blend of advanced features, including clear hands-free calling, fast dual charging capabilities, and versatile music streaming options. Its robust safety certifications ensure reliable performance and device protection, while the LED light design enhances visibility for safer night driving. However, users should consider potential audio quality issues in FM transmission areas and the complexity of finding an optimal FM channel. Overall, the BT25 is a practical choice for drivers seeking enhanced connectivity and convenience on the road. Next up at number 4, we have the Kebidumei C56 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. The Kebidumei C56 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter is designed to elevate your driving experience with fast charging capabilities, versatile audio playback options, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this car FM transmitter. Pros: PD30W fast charging. The C56 supports PD30W fast charging, ensuring rapid charging for compatible smartphones like iPhone and Samsung. This feature allows you to charge your devices quickly while on the move, reducing downtime and ensuring you stay connected. Dual USB-A charging ports. Equipped with dual USB-A ports, the transmitter provides a smart 5V/3.1A charging output. This allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously without compromising on charging speed, making it convenient for both driver and passenger. Multiple audio playback modes. The C56 offers multiple audio playback options, including Bluetooth connectivity for streaming music and navigation prompts from your smartphone. It supports plug-and-play functionality with lossless sound quality and a power-off memory function, ensuring seamless integration into your car audio system. Bluetooth car MP3 player. Enjoy clearer music and navigation broadcasts while driving with the Bluetooth car MP3 player feature. This enhances your driving experience by providing high-quality audio playback directly through your car speakers, eliminating the need for additional accessories. PD30W USB-A output charging. Combining PD30W fast charging with a USB-A charging port, the C56 caters to various charging needs simultaneously. Whether charging a power-hungry smartphone or other devices, it delivers efficient power output to keep your devices fully charged. Cons. Limited control features. While the transmitter supports essential functions like Bluetooth connectivity and fast charging, it may lack advanced control features such as EQ settings or extensive LED display options. Users looking for more customization options might find the features somewhat basic. The Kebidumei C56 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter offers an array of features designed to enhance convenience and audio quality during your drives. With PD30W fast charging, dual USB-A ports, and versatile audio playback modes, it caters to both charging and entertainment needs on the road. However, users should consider potential audio quality issues with FM transmission and ensure compatibility with their devices and car audio systems. Overall, the C56 is a practical choice for drivers seeking reliable connectivity and efficient charging capabilities in their vehicles. Taking the third spot is the Loloago MT04A, a Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. The Loloago MT04A Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter brings the latest in Bluetooth technology to enhance your in-car audio experience. With a range of features designed to provide fast connections, clear calls, and high-quality music playback, it's a compelling choice for anyone looking to upgrade their car's audio system. Here are the pros and cons of this device. Pros. Newest Bluetooth 5.3 technology fast connection ensures quick and stable connections with your devices, reconnecting automatically to the last paired device. Clear Call's built-in microphone with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and digital signal processor DSP technology ensures clear communication, reducing background noise. Convenient call handling easy controls answer, hang up, reject, redial calls, and activate Siri or Google Voice Assistant with just a click of the middle button, providing hands-free convenience. Total 57W fast charging. Multiple ports equipped with a 45W PD Type-C port and a 12W QC3.0 USB port, allowing simultaneous charging of two devices with overcharge protection. USB port. The additional USB port can charge devices and read music files from a U-disc, supporting MP3, WMA, WAV, APE, and FLAC formats. Versatile music playback. Two modes: play music via Bluetooth from your device or directly from a USB flash drive. The FM transmitter connects to your car stereo using an FM signal for clear audio. Voltage display. When plugged into the car's cigarette lighter, the vehicle voltage is displayed for monitoring battery health. Hi-Fi treble and bass controls. Metal scroll wheel adjusts treble and bass to your preference for an enhanced audiophile-grade sound experience. Ambient light changes with the music rhythm, adding a visual element to your listening experience. Safety and convenience. Multiple protections offers protections against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits during charging, ensuring safe use. Efficiency. More efficient than regular Bluetooth transmitters, capable of boosting a device from 0% to 85% charge in just 30 minutes. Cons. 1. Dependence on FM signal interference. As an FM transmitter, it can be susceptible to signal interference, especially in urban areas with many radio stations. The Loloago MT04A Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter offers an impressive array of features, from fast Bluetooth connections and clear calls to versatile music playback and fast charging. While it has some limitations, such as potential signal interference and dependency on the car's cigarette lighter, its benefits make it a valuable addition for enhancing your in-car audio experience. Whether you need hands-free call management, high-quality music, or quick device charging, this transmitter covers it all. Coming in at number 2 is the Baseus BS-CHO11 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. The Baseus BS-CHO11 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter is designed to enhance your driving experience with high-fidelity audio playback, easy operation, and advanced Bluetooth connectivity. Here's a comprehensive review highlighting the pros and cons of this car FM transmitter. Pros. Enjoy music with lossless quality. The BS-CHO11 delivers hi-fi playback with premium sound quality, supporting both Bluetooth and flash drive connections. It ensures that you can enjoy clear and crisp music directly through your car's audio system, enhancing your driving pleasure. Wide compatibility. Compatible with all 12 V24V cars, the BS-CHO11 is versatile and suitable for a wide range of vehicle types. Whether you drive a compact car or SUV, this transmitter is designed to integrate seamlessly into your car's setup. Super easy operation. Setting up the BS-CHO11 is quick and straightforward, taking only 3 steps. Users can easily connect their smartphones via Bluetooth or plug in a USB flash drive to start playing music instantly, making it user-friendly and convenient. Advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Featuring upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the BS-CHO11 offers faster response times and higher stability compared to older Bluetooth versions. This ensures a reliable connection with minimal interruptions, providing a seamless music streaming experience. Cons. C. Power source limitations. Requires a 12 V24V car cigarette lighter socket for power. While this is standard in most vehicles, users with non-standard setups or electric cars may need to ensure compatibility with their vehicle's power source. The Baseus BS-CHO11 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter offers a convenient solution for streaming music in your car with high-fidelity audio quality and easy setup. With wide compatibility across various car models and advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures reliable connectivity and stable performance. However, users should consider potential audio quality issues with FM transmission and the basic control features provided. Overall, the BS-CHO11 is a practical choice for drivers seeking to upgrade their in-car entertainment system with wireless music streaming capabilities. And finally, our top pick, the Joshe JR-CL17 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter. The Joshe JR-CL17 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter promises an upgraded driving experience with enhanced call clarity, fast charging capabilities, and high-fidelity audio options. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this advanced car accessory. Pros. Clearer calls with enhanced dual mics. Featuring dual microphones and CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology, the JR-CL17 ensures crystal clear voice calls by minimizing background noises like road and wind noise. This enhances safety and communication during hands-free calls, making it ideal for safer driving. 48 WPD QC 3.0 fast charging. Equipped with a 30 WPD Type-C port and an 18 WQC 3.0 USB port, the JR-CL17 supports simultaneous fast charging of 2 devices. It offers rapid charging for devices like iPad Pro, iPhone, Moto, and various Android smartphones, ensuring minimal downtime and efficient power delivery. Upgraded BT 5.3 technology. Utilizing the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, the JR-CL17 enhances connectivity with reduced transmission delays and connection issues compared to older Bluetooth versions. It provides a faster, more stable connection for uninterrupted calls and music streaming, improving overall user experience. Hi-Fi Deep Bass OAS mode. Enjoy enhanced music quality with deep bass and immersive stereo sound by activating the hi-fi mode with the press of a button. The JR-CL17 delivers high-fidelity audio, making music dynamic and enjoyable. It also supports O and USB stick connections, providing flexibility in audio playback options. Cons. Dependence on FM transmission quality. Like all FM transmitters, the audio quality of the JR-CL17 can be affected by local radio frequencies and signal interference. Users may experience occasional static or signal drops, particularly in areas with congested radio channels. The Joshe JR-CL17 Bluetooth 5.3 car FM transmitter offers a robust solution for enhancing in-car connectivity and entertainment. With its advanced Bluetooth technology, fast charging capabilities, and high-fidelity audio options, it caters to drivers looking for reliable hands-free calling and superior music playback. Despite potential challenges with FM transmission quality and setup complexity, the JR-CL17 remains a practical choice for upgrading your car's audio system with modern Bluetooth connectivity and fast charging functionalities,